Muslim world.
Come learn and play. The five pillars of Islam, gifts from Allah for every child. They guide us, they help us grow. We sing and learn with a smile. The Shahada, I say it with my heart. There is no God but Allah. Muhammad is his messenger. It's the first step, the faith in Allah, a magic word that brightens my days. The five pillars of Islam, gifts from Allah for every child. They guide us, they help us grow. We sing and learn with a smile. The prayer, I do it 5 times a day, standing, bowing, sitting, always with love. I talk to Allah, I thank Him, and my heart fills with light and peace. Zakat means sharing with others a little of what I have for my brothers and sisters, helping those who are in need. It's a pillar that makes our world serene. Fasting Ramadan has arrived. I remember Allah through the day. I smile, I pray, I do good deeds, and I thank Allah for His blessings. The Hajj, the sacred pilgrimage, we visit the Kaaba, everything is shining bright. Even if I am small, I dream one day to follow this pillar with love. The five pillars of Islam, gifts from Allah for every child.